Welcome to a spirit animal message. If today is your birthday, I like to start off by saying happy birthday. I'm going to pull 3 oracle cards and see what we get. Dragonfly, magic, elk, nobility, and penguin, authentic. So dragonfly, magic. Ooh. I embrace my transformation. I courageously let go of the past. The magic of nature is in me. I am brilliant and I am blessed. So a time of, I think of the crown chakra blooming with this lotus blooming out of the water. Then we have elk, nobility. Celebrate your accomplishments with humility. You are crowned with success. Powerful forces guide you. Your ability to conquer challenges is limitless. Nobility. Standing your ground is coming to mind. Standing in your position. You're receiving, I don't know, the guidance that is required, almost as this, almost like there's this download, but there is this new form of confidence within you, within this transformative time that you're in, and it's blossoming. What I feel is your authenticity. Reach out to your tribe in times of need. Family gives you strength when you face the storm. Love your uniqueness. You are full of surprises. Break free from others' expectations. Just be yourself. Having that strength, facing anything that may try to shake you from being in that committed self space. No. The mountains behind behind the penguins is standing out to me, and it's like you're on solid ground. You've built this foundation. There's this foundation built for yourself, and I see how we have this earth and these 2 different elements that are very strong elemental animals. So I feel like you're also good in all these different in different spaces. So you're very